Hello students, welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia and I am Assistant Professor Neha Telani. Students, in FY, BMS, BAF, BBI, BFM, we have one subject in semester 1, that is foundation course. So today we are going to learn about that subject, what are the topics included in that subject, and the topic which we are going to cover today from that particular subject. Let's have a look on syllabus which we have to cover in entire foundation course. Syllabus includes 5 units. First unit deals with overview of Indian society. In this unit, we are going to see how the Indian society is. What are the different cultures, religions, caste, etc. In second chapter, in second unit, we are going to see the concept of disparity 1. Concept of disparity 1 deals with differences. Differences based on that is language, community, caste, religion. Likewise, unit 3 also deals with concept of disparity 2. Then we have unit number 4, that is Indian Constitution. We have our constitution, so we should know the basic features of Indian Constitution. What are the fundamental rights, fundamental duties of Indian citizen? What are the schedules? What are the parts which are included in Indian Constitution? That we are going to see in unit number 4, that is the Indian Constitution. And last unit is significance aspect of political process. In this, we are going to study the basic, that is, we are going to gain the basic knowledge related to political process. So today, we are going to start with unit number 1, that is overview of Indian society. So let's get started. Now, as we all know that in India, we have multi-cultures. We have variety of cultures. We have variety of languages. We have many religions in our India. So Indian society is considered as multicultural society. And Indian society is also known as pluralistic in nature. Now what do you mean by term pluralism? Where there are many religions, many cultural patterns, many languages involved, that is considered as pluralism. And as we all know that Indian culture followed the concept of Vasudeva Kutumbakam. Now what the term means is the world is one family. We should consider the entire world as one family. We should not discriminate anyone based on caste, based on religion, based on caste, based on educational qualification. We should treat each and every individual equally. We shouldn't consider some caste as a superior or other caste as an inferior. Now, let's go for characteristic of Indian culture. As we have studied that in India, we have multi-languages. Many languages are there in India, right? You might have seen that many people speak English, Hindi, Telugu, Marathi, etc. So, India is considered as multilingual country. Multilingual, why? Because there are 1652 languages and dialects in India, from which our Indian Constitution has recognized 22 major languages, and from that Hindi is selected as a national language. there was dispute related to language also, that which language should be considered as a national language and which language should not be considered as a national language. So to solve that dispute, in our constitution it has mentioned that Hindi is considered as our national language. So first characteristic of Indian culture is that is India is a multilingual country. Now, as we all know that there are many religions in India, right, in the world, but there is no official religion, as we all know that there are many religions. So India is considered as multi-religious country. India has no official religion, but there are four important religions which are originated from India. That are Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. Likewise, again, there is no official religion, but these are important religions which have been originated from India only. Now, one of the most striking characteristic of Indian culture is caste system. Traditionally, it was like Hindu society was divided into four varnas. On the basis of occupation of individual, people divide that person into that particular category, like Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. But gradually, this caste system underwent a change. Now, on the basis of birth of individual, the caste is given to that particular person. Now, that four varnas is not in existence. So, as per the birth of individual, where the person borns, that determines the caste of that individual. And we all know that each caste has its own rules, regulations, values, institutions, festivals, etc. So this tells us that each and every caste is important, each and every religion is important. Again, we should not discriminate anyone on the basis of caste, on the basis of that is religion. Next characteristic we have is intra-group cultural differences. See, we have caste. In that caste also we have subcaste involved, right? So that is what intra-group cultural differences. That means within that caste also we have subcaste, and in that also we see a lot of differences on the basis of habits, on the basis of values, on the basis of culture, etc. The last characteristic of Indian culture is influence of Western culture. As we all know that Western culture Indian culture have undergone several changes, that be in like food habits, music, dance, clothing, lifestyle, education. We have seen many changes in our Indian culture. Western culture has influenced a lot on Indian culture. Now the food habits has changed, the dressing style has changed, the culture pattern has changed, even the education pattern has changed a lot. So these are some characteristics of Indian culture that we have seen. So Indian culture comprises of languages. We have multi-languages in India. So it is regarded as multilingual. Second, India is multi-religious in nature. Why? Because again, many religions are there in India. Third, caste system. If we talk about caste system, traditional caste system was different, where we used to divide individual on the basis of occupation into 4 varnas, which we have discussed. But now gradually the caste system has changed. Now the varnas has replaced the birth. Now on the basis of birth, the individual has given the caste. Then we have seen intra-group cultural differences. Intra-group cultural differences, intra means within that particular caste only. We have subcaste. So in that also we see a lot of changes involved in that. Then last, we have seen that Western culture has influenced a lot on, on Indian culture. Thank you.